Hello guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I share with you all how I prepare this quick, delicious corn memory. If that sounds something interested, keep watching. I have some yellow corn flour, some crayfish, some dried chili pepper which I soak in the water for easy blending. I have some onion and some bell pepper. I'm going to transfer all the ingredients into the blender and give it a quick blend. I will transfer the moimoi into the bowl and I will add some water into the blender and I will pour that as well. Add some palm oil, some seasoning powder and some salt to taste, and I will go ahead and mix everything together until they are well combined. Back in Nigeria, we normally use fresh corn or dry corn to make this particular moimoi, but since I left Nigeria, I normally use pure corn flour, alright, to make this particular moimoi, and it's always turned out so good, so delicious as well. In future, I'm going to share how you can use fresh corn to make this particular moimoi. At this stage, I'm going to go ahead and add some smoked mackerel and mix everything together very well. Smoked mackerel is optional, but I like to add it. At this stage, the lemon is well mixed together. I'll go ahead and scoop it into the nylon bag, alright? I'm making use of plastic bag because I didn't have any other thing to use. If you have flour making plate or foil plate, you can make use of that as well. But today, I'm making use of this plastic bag. I'll just tie everything around and set it aside. And if you guys notice, you guys will see that I make the meme a little bit watery. I intentionally do that. So when it is done, it will not be very hard. When you make the meme too thick, when it is cooked, it becomes so hard like stone that you will not be able to enjoy it. But when you make it watery like this, when it is cooked, you'll be able to enjoy it very well. I hope that makes sense. We call this particular moment Abari in my local language. What do you call it in your language? In case you are from Nigeria, drop a comment below, alright? We Yoruba in Nigeria, we call it Abari. I'm going to transfer all the meme into the pot of water. Just cover the pot and allow to cook. And it took about 45 minutes to an hour before it's perfectly cooked. And while it's cooking, I always check on it so it doesn't burn. At this stage, our meme is perfectly cooked. I will just turn off the heat and remove it from the water. You guys, look how colorful, how beautiful, how delicious the meme looks. It looks so good, guys, and it tastes absolutely delicious. I give this meme to someone. He doesn't believe that he's eating corn meme. He thought it was the regular meme. I hope you guys like the recipe, and if you do, please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.